to another strategy and another analysis on the US30 market. As we can see right now, the market is currently closed because today is holiday, and also this trend line right here, you're currently seeing that the market chart is the previous historical trend on the previous weekend, which is on Friday, and the market literally ended on a sell. Okay, now we're going to see a huge buy, which is a bearish pattern of the trend on work days, right, which is on Monday. We're going to see that the market is going to buy because this market right now, it ended with a sell. So the next step is for the market to retest upwards for a buy. Now we're seeing a huge buy position right there, so get ready guys. On Monday, we're going to be trading this market, and we're going to be making a lot of profit on this US30 market. Okay, this market is not that hard to trade. I'm going to share with you guys how you can be able to trade this market successfully. All right, this market is at the oversold, so the market should get to the overbought. So it's just like every other type of trading. You see that the market will buy, the market will sell, the market will buy, it will sell, right? And when it gets to the overbought, the best possible chance is for you to look for a sell entry, and when it gets to the oversold, for you to look for a buy entry as well. But when you're trading this type of market, you need to do a proper analysis for you to be able to trade this market successfully. And I like using three indicators to trade this market, which is the RSI, the MACD, and the moving average. All right, now I'm going to explain to you guys how you can able to use these three indicators combined and be able to make profit on this US30 market. So what we're going to do first here is to put in the moving average. You can see the parameters, the moving average on period 40 shift 0. Then we'll put a style right here on 3 pixels. Then you apply to close. The method is simple guys, not exponential, sorry, simple method. Then you click on done. All right guys, let's get on with the strategy. Now when you're trading the US30 market, you tend to follow the trend line of the moving average, because this moving average shows you the direction. Okay, it shows you if the market is going upwards or downwards, just showing the market movement. All right, now we're seeing a curve in this market right now. It ended at this very point. All right, this market ended at this point right here, so we're looking for a possible buy entry. Now if you zoom in a little bit into this market right now, you can see that it's following a downward trend right here, then it will curve upwards, going upwards, and giving you that buy entry position. So what we're going to do right now is to put in the relative strength index indicator on indicator window 1, just to level our trade entry. So we're going to put in the relative strength index indicator right here, period 14. You apply to close. The level is going to be on the level 90 and the level of 10. That's going to be basic. Okay, the style, you put it on 4 pixels with the color of black. Remember that this is MT5. We're using the MT5 mobile app and not the trading view. Okay, so that you don't misunderstand, because most people usually ask me that what app I'm using to trade. Okay, now this is the MT5 MetaTrader 5 and not trading view app. All right, so you put on these parameters right here, you click on done. The style, you put it on 1 pixels with the color white, then you click on done as well. All right, then the third indicator, we're going to put in the MACD indicator into this chart right now. Fast EMA 14, slow EMA 24, the MACD SMA on the level of 10. You apply to close. The main 4 pixels color black, signal color red, 4 pixels with the straight line pattern, then you click on done. All right, now we can see that this MACD indicator is a very powerful indicator, and it tends to show us the direction of where the market is going. Remember that when you're trading this US30 market, you do not look for a way whereby you want to catch your spikes. Okay, you don't catch spikes on this type of market. You literally follow trend lines, use the price action strategy, know where the market is going, always go over to the 1 hour time frame to confirm your entry position. All right, so we are on using this MACD indicator right here, which is the MACD indicator. Now you can take a look at this point that price gets to the level of 90, so the market retested for a sell. All right, at this point right here, you can see the market retested for a sell. Let's take a little bit zoom into the market right there, and you can see from this point right here, the market retested for a sell entry. And if you trace it with me guys, from this point, when the market gets to the level of 90 here, the market gets to the level of 90, not the level of 10, the level of 90, the market retested for a sell. So this is a perfect signal for you if you are trading this type of market. All you need to do is just look for that spot, that good entry position whereby you when by the MACD gets to that level, the market will always retest. Just to confirm this for you guys, take a look. Here you can see that the market retested. All right, if you take a look at this point right here, the market retested from that point up to this point right here. Okay, so if you know that you have a smaller account, you know that this US30 market is just like the Forex market as well, whereby the market goes up and down, but it tends to follow that straight pattern position. So it follows that that straight down pattern position for a sell. So right now, what we're going to do right now is to show you guys that at this point right here, when the market gets to the level of 10, the market tends to buy as well. Okay, so if you're in this type of market, you want to use the amount of lot size which you know that is applicable to your capital, all right, so that you don't end up with a losing trade or blowing up your account. All right, now even at the 1 hour time frame, like we always say, whereby we always do our entry position, you can see that it always it also works as well. When price gets to the level of 10 right here with a MACD, the market bought even at the 1 hour time frame. You can see it bought up to this point right there. Okay, it started to buy from here, you can see, to the level of 10. All right, so you wait for this perfect signal when the market wants to buy, when it gets to the level of 10. So what you're going to do right now is to go to the RSI indicator. For the RSI, we're going to put on buy on the level of 10. For the description, buy. For the level of 90, we'll put sell. Okay, we'll put sell. Okay, all right guys, now this is to remind us that when price gets to the level of 10, we're going to buy. Okay, and when price gets to the level of 90, we're going to sell, because this is the RSI. So we're using the combination of the MACD and the RSI together to pinpoint a good entry position. I hope you understand what I'm saying to you guys. All right, on the US30 market, I love this market so much that I normally trade this market, and I tend to make profit most time from this market, because I see that this market is not that hard to trade. Okay, and before you be able to master and know how to trade this market successfully, you need to always practice this market. You can practice this on your demo account. All right, you can practice on your demo account before going into your real account. Okay, and also always trade responsible. All right, always trade responsible on the market. All right guys, now what we're seeing right here, we're seeing a huge sell in price movement at this point right there. At this point right here, we're seeing a huge sell. Take a look at that from this point right here, and if you take a look at this point, right, if you trace it down with me guys, from here, this point, trace it downwards at this point here. So the market did not even get to the level of 90 before we see this drop in price movement. Now the reason is this: if we take a look, zoom out from this market, we can already see that if you take a look at this MACD here, the MACD went upward, and there was an equal. Let's zoom in. These are analysis you need to understand. There was an equal at this point here. Okay, there was an equal, then it went downwards from this point as well. You can see, and if you take a look, that this is the 1 hour time frame. Oh, this is the 1 hour time frame, not the 1 minute. Okay, so this market from here, from here now, it sold, right? It sold after 1 hour, then it broke out from this point. There was a breakout. You can see the market sold, breakout structure. It does not just sell towards the downward trend. It does not just sell, it broke out. You can see so when you look at this MACD right now, from here there was an equal from this point here, and here you can see that it did not reach the level of 90, but it retested going downwards. This is whereby you understand that this market is going to sell. It does not need to, sometimes it does not need to reach a level of 90 before you understand that the market is going to sell. All right, so you can see that at this point here, this is a double top strategy. you understand that when you see a 2 point like this, know that this market is going to follow the same pattern for a certain period of time. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Here you can see the same pattern giving you that same structure from here. Okay, the market is going to follow that same procedure again. All right, so guys, we now see that this is the perfect analysis that I've just shared with you on the Wall Street 30, which is also the US30 market. And you can also see how the price ended towards the downward trend on the 1 minute time frame, but on the 1 hour time frame the market sold and it ended at that very point. And we are seeing a buy market on the 1 minute time frame. So remember that it doesn't matter the time frames. Okay, on the US30 market, always confirm your entries on the 1 hour time frame. All right, you can also trade on the 1 minute time frame, so it does not matter as long as you know what you are doing on this type of market. Okay, so we're going to end here, guys, on the US30 market analysis on to the previous market trend. Remember that this is Sunday, so the market is not open. The market is only open on work days, which is weekdays, which is from Monday to Friday. All right, so if you found value on this trading, do it to like and subscribe to the channel, the Daily Forex, for more awesome trading tips and strategies. I'll see you guys on the next video.